Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about hand tracking and how you can access that. In order to do that, you're going to want to go to your settings menu. Once you're in settings, you're going to go down here to movement tracking. And at the top, you're going to want to make sure hand and body tracking is enabled, because as you can see there, it says allows you to switch between hands and controllers. Now, if you want it to automatically switch, which means if you put down your controllers on a stable surface, then it's going to switch, you can check that off. But with that, make sure you check out this auto switch sensitivity, because it's going to take longer to switch between the hands if you have it on low. But if you want it to have a high sensitivity to switching, then change it to high. And then there's a third way you can have this double tap controllers for hand tracking. Turn that on, double tap your controllers like that, and there we go. I am in hand tracking. Bring my controllers back up, press a button, and boom, I'm back like that. So that's how you can access some of that stuff for hand tracking. If you have any questions about it, make sure to let me know. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.